turashima umwataka wayo wundi umwataka mwiza cyane ubashije nizabafasha ntazaheruka aya mafaranga gusa
Asumani Ndikumana
akabona yanyanyagiye bamwita Asumani.
But there was a problem with FIFA, and when the FIFA closed the doors for them to send the new players, it was going directly to Premier League.
The fans give you the money. How do you feel?
I feel that's love it. Yeah, they love me, and I want to try to talk to them to love me every day, and to put all of players for me and support me more.
Don't you think it's a pressure?
That one is big team. Pressure is always. If it's friendly game, there is pressure. If it's big game for 3 points, always pressure. If in training, you must score goals. It's not easy.
What is your playing style?
My playing style, I know it's my first game. You stay there and watch if I play.
Asman,
You see more.
Asman, your first impression for the supporters?
What?
First impression. How do you see the supporters of Rayon Sport for today?
Yeah, before coming Rwanda, the fan of Rayon Sports come to take me on the bus because I come with car. The ticket of flight was some problems, and my first time playing in Rwanda, the official game, maybe it's friendly game, no problem, but I feel love it with the fans and presidents. They bring me everything I need. But now I want to work more to show them more things.
Your target with Rayon Sport this season?
My target is to put this team in rounds, CAF Confederation, and try to win more cups.
In the premier round, you will meet with the Singida Black Stars from Tanzania. Do you see it will be easy for you as the Rayon Sport to eliminate the Singida Black Stars?
I don't know. I'm not going to know future. We want to work more to put them out and go forward.
Message for supporters.
How many goals this season? Inshallah.
Message for supporters.
Huh?
Message for the fans.
Message for the fans. Just I want to talk to them to be patient and to support us. If a result is no problem, but we want to show them the good things, and we want to put this team in big level and do history.
Thank you and good luck.
Yes, thank you.
kiriya gitego se cyo kimeze gitera
ni igitego gifata shampiyona y'u Rwanda kikayimura